Ay kasama ko lang ang magiting na General Luna. Ngayon, patay na siya. At napasama naman ako sa kampo ni General Del Pilar. Hindi ko pa matansya ang ugali niya.
Mukhang nakakalat na ang utos na dakpin si Luna. Isang general daw ang nagpapatupad nito.
Sino?
Yung paborito ni Mio.
Naku, mag-ingat tayo sa lalaking iyan. Kada bayan na daanan niya, may iiwang sa babaeng luhaan, ah.
Bakit ako, Goyo? Ang daming ibang babae dyan na pwedeng mahulog sa'yo sa isang tingin mo lang.
Tandaan mo kung sino ka. Lahat ng tao tinitingala ka. Ikaw ang agila, bayaning Bulakenyo, tugong magiting.
Gusto kong patunayan na marunong tayong makitigma
Brigada del Pilar, tumayo ang matapang.
ng may kadakilaan at paninindigan.
Gusto kong sumandal sa bisig ng isang lalaking alam ang kanyang hangganan pagkat natupad niya ng tungkulin niya sa bayan.
General Luna, a Filipino historical biopic, offers various lessons. It emphasizes the complexity of leadership, showcasing the challenges faced by a principled leader in a corrupt system. It also highlights the importance of unity, patriotism, and the struggles involved in fighting for a nation's independence. The film prompts reflection on the sacrifices and conflicts within a revolution and the need for strong, principled leadership in turbulent time. The movie General Luna, which was portrayed by an award-winning actor in the Philippines, definitely holds significant importance in Philippine literature and culture as well as a cinematic presentation of Philippine history. It contributes to the retelling and preservation of the country's past, making historical events and figures more accessible and retellable to contemporary audience.